Truck Garage.
OMG.
Monster Truck Garage, Monster Truck.
Wow.
Welcome to Belly's Playground.
The garage is a monster truck.
I know.
That's cool.
Wow. Santa did good.
I thought about this one next.
Come on, buddy. You haven't even got this one all the way unwrapped. Still got the wrapping on it. I'm gonna get a garbage bag so I can put the wrapping on.
Yeah. This might be big ball.
Okay. Get back over in this area.
Are you ready?
Okay.
We just need to fill the bottom layer up.
My goodness. Look at that thing. Wow.
Oh no, I lost one!
Ah! Crash! I don't know what this thing's for.
I don't know. I think that was just to keep it stuck to the bottom of the box.
At least some are okay. We only lost one in the first part. Let's go save that
Look how fancy Twin Mill is.
one. I know.
Nice color.
Bigfoot. I mean, Bone Shaker. Save some room for you.
Oh boy.
I have to like stand up to push it.
Oh jeez. Not the greatest driver. Holy cow.
I think he's doing it on purpose.
Look at, they're all stuck and one's upside down. Oh man. Now they're all falling off of the ramp. Devastation.
Ready?
Don't grandma and Abby.
Oh, that's neat.
It's a spider.
Puzzle.
Space spider.
A space.
That's neat. You have to put that together.
I don't know if it moves too.
I'm gonna do that for you.
Like a train and a buggy and a robot and even make guns.
Oh, wow. Okay, that one right there. And this one all the way back here, or over text. All the way back there.
The one way back there's for your birthday.
Oh. Don't drop this one. Is this one for me?
Mm-hmm.
It's from our neighbor.
Richard?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this says happy birthday, so we'll do the card tomorrow. I don't think you need to undo the, oh, just this one. And then it should be able to pop off.
Fancy wrapping.
What is this?
It is a wallet.
And it got money?
And
For the
some
wallet.
cash. Oh, very nice.
That's cool. You got your own wallet
The
now.
very first wallet, buddy.
You gonna put the dollar in it? You know how much dollars that is?
That's 100.
Mm,
No,
close.
20.
20.
$20. My gosh, you're rich.
This one for me next.
Are you sure it's for you?
Yeah.
Have your name on it?
Look.
Elliot. Yes. It does.
Alright.
A
nice
Lego.
Fancy wallet.
Now I hold it out.
There's that.
How do I? Ready?
Mm. Car.
Oh. What kind of car is that?
Looks like a Ferrari.
Big ol' Ferrari.
Ferrari. Ooh, a red one too.
Red Ferraris are cool.
261 pieces.
You do this one that came last night.
Looks like a candle.
Candle.
It's a
Wow.
little bit difficult to wrap.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, slime.
What is this?
Super fancy slime.
So
It's called Galaxy Jelly.
Galaxy Jelly,
Yeah.
crazy. It's like
You
a
can-
it's like a bomb.
Like a bomb.
Is that a super fine, extra fine glitter?
It's to
Glass-
make the texture
Glass
different.
gold
Oh.
present.
So
Glass
it has
gold
some
present.
instructions with this.
Glass golden present.
Glass golden present, okay.
Did you already finish this, Chris?
Another puzzle.
Ooh, Warrior Dragon.
Fancy.
That's really cool. What are the colors?
Is this one a birthday one for me?
Yeah, well, last stuff put together.
Yeah, I think that's for birthday.
Birthday, yeah.
What does it say?
It says your name, but it's for your birthday. So
Same with that other one that says happy birthday on it.
I'll do this one if it says my name on it.
does it have your name on it?
Yep.
Okay.
This one's long.
Oh, lightsabers.
Wow. Fancy. 4 different colors.
That's neat.
Whoa.
Red, purple, green, blue.
Which color do you like the most?
I like red.
The red one.
Oh, and they light up.
Yeah. I already have like things.
And they extend.
Then what?
So
This
that's
was
for okay.
ready.
This is Dino Eggs. Dino Eggs Dig Kit. Oh, you gotta break into those eggs to see if there's
I
dinosaurs.
think you gotta use water to break into them. Is this one? Is this one?
There's 12 eggs.
I'm doing snowmans. Snowman. Ready? For my birthday.
I don't know the separation between birthday and Christmas.
I figured the bag's birthday, and then the one in the back that's big is birthday, and then everything else is
Everything
birthday.
else is Christmas.
Maybe that other bag in the back would be birthday.
Ooh, what's this?
I think it's our seahorse.
Looks like an IC card.
Wow. Off-road car?
Cool.
Off-road racer. Ooh, that's a fancy looking one.
Another Lego. A
The
Lego.
lights
Watch this.
too. It's bright.
What do you say?
Watch this. Ruger. Come on, Ru. Come on, Ru. Help Ru. Get it, Ru. Get it.
Get the paper.
Get it, Ru. Get it, Ru. Get it. Ruger. Come on. Ruger.
Let's just open it.
Oh, it's like, I don't want to wait to do it. Oh.
I think I already have this one.
Yeah, but you know what? You can put it together again.
I got this one last
Star Wars
Christmas.
Lego.
I got this one last Christmas.
And you already destroyed it, so now you can put it together and keep it together this time.
Okay.
Snowball.
Please subscribe to watch my videos.